Happy holidays, everybody. I'm going to show you a really cool project today that you can do at home. It's the 12 Days of Corona Christmas Ornament. It's a really cool project, and I'm going to show you all the steps on how to do it next. Before I begin showing you how to do the project that we're going to do today, please consider subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of other DIY projects just like this one on my channel. And so if you hit that subscribe button below and you hit the notification, you won't miss out on any other future DIY projects as well. And I also have a lawn side of my channel as well, where I show you how to make your lawn look better organically. So the first step in the process is obviously you need something to put your decal on. So this is actually birch wood. I had a bunch of leftover logs from burning wood, birch wood logs, so I actually cut them on my miter saw. And you can sand them down if you like on both sides. So that's one option that you can do. They almost look like coasters. Another option is the Dollar Tree sells these really cool already strung circles. It looks like a plywood almost. So it's $1. You can stain this, you can paint this, and it's only $1, so you can't beat that. They have these mason jar clear ornaments with strings already. You could cut your decals out and you can place them in there. That's another option. They also have these bulbs here. You can unscrew the top here and you could feed your decal in. And then the last option I have here is, this is from Michael's. It's actually like a coaster, I think they sell it as, but it's birch wood. So if you don't feel comfortable cutting them out on the miter saw, what you could do is just go to Michael's and buy these individually. So the next step is to actually print out your decals, and I have two great options for you guys. This is a JPEG, and it's going to be in Google Docs, so anyone can go out there and print this for themselves. This is just inkjet on plain paper. I have 4 different kind of options here if you want to print them out. You can resize them to any size you want. I found for these birch wood logs that I cut out a 3.5 by 3.5 size circle fits these the best. And then I'm going to also have another version here for you that you can actually take these and you can put these into your Cricut machine and you can have them cut out on the Cricut. Nice perfect circles for you. And so I'm going to have 2 options for you guys. All these Google Doc links are going to be in the description of the video below. So I already went ahead and I printed them all out on my inkjet. I have a Cricut machine. So I already put them in my Cricut machine, fed them through, and they already have been cut out for me. So what I'm going to do next is take off the paper here. Here we go, I got my 4 printouts here, and the next step is actually putting these on the wood or in here, however you would like them. So the next step is, after you have them cut out, and you could either cut them out with a pair of scissors from the Google Docs that I have, or if you have a Cricut machine like I said, like I have, they'll cut out these perfectly for you. So once you have them printed out, we're going to use every crafter's best friend, Mod Podge. I just have the matte kind. You can pick the semi-gloss, the gloss kind, whatever kind you like. I'm just going to take my acrylic brush here. I'm just going to dab that down. First, I like to go over my wood first with the Mod Podge, just to get a coating down. We all know that Mod Podge, it dries clear, so it doesn't really matter how much you put down or how less, it's going to all dry clear eventually. So once you have a decent amount down on your piece of wood, what you want to do is take your decal, your printout, place it down, try and push out from the middle to the end, to the sides, so you get any air bubbles out. Then the next step, I like to go back over it with a little bit more Mod Podge right on the top. This way, this kind of seals it down. So once you do have your final product, it kind of protects it from any mishaps. And don't be afraid to put a little bit or a lot. Like I said, it's going to dry clear. And I think that's pretty good. I just like to go back with my brush and try and even out the brush strokes. And that's it. So now I have the Dollar Tree mason jar here. I'm just going to take this, it's a 2.5 by 2.5 inch decal that I printed out on my paper. I'm just going to open up the mason jar here, and I'm just going to slip that in there, and then I'm going to close it up. And there you go. You can have yourself another ornament. Personally, I like the wood. I think the wood's really classy, and it's really nice. But you can either do this with that, you can do that with the bulb, whatever you would like. So once your product dries, obviously this is still drying, but once it does dry, it's going to look clear like this, and it's going to be nice and protected. You can go ahead and take your power drill a little hole at the top here, and you can put through ribbon, yarn. I got this yarn here at Michael's. It's like a twine / red twine, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of like a candy cane look. And I just cut off a piece and fed it through and tied it for my ornament. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it really helpful. I think anyone can really do this at home. A lot of us have Dollar Trees in the area. I think you can find a lot of these items at the Dollar Trees and Michael's in your area to do this project. And again, I'm going to leave all the Google Doc links to the images below in the video description. I think these make really cool gifts for everybody for this year, for 2020. It's been one hell of a year. I'm going to make these for co-workers at my work. I think they're really going to love it. I'm going to do something really cool today. I'm going to do a free giveaway for one of the ornaments that I created to anybody that is subscribed to my channel, and you have to comment on this video below, and on my next video I will do a random drawing and I will pick the winner, and all you have to do is email me your information and I will send you one of these ornaments for free. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please consider subscribing to my channel for future videos. I'm going to have a bunch of DIY projects throughout the winter. I actually have a DIY project coming up, a wood DIY sign, and also on my lawn side of my channel I'm going to show you how to sharpen blades. So again, if you have any comments or any questions, please comment below and I will get back to you.